Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is so unreal. Like the palette, come on now. I don't know what people are talking about comparing the 2 palettes or 3 palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills together with this one. I really love this. I love the packaging. The packaging is so sleek, it's so sophisticated. Like it's so it's so me. All right, it's so me. That's what I want to say. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. I'm also going to be having a giveaway, okay? Like I'm going to be having a giveaway, and I'm going to put the rules down below in the description box for you guys to see. I'll be giving out one of this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to one lucky winner, and overall winner, I'm going to be having 4 winners in all. Just let me please guys, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and all these goodies will be coming your way. 4 lucky winners. Like I said, I'll put the rules on in my description box, and at the same time I'll put it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I use the same name as the one I use on YouTube, simply sophisticated_Demi. That's what I use on Instagram as well. Please follow the instructions and let's get this game going on, guys. What I have for you, I already showed you this, and all the rest of what I have for you, they are by BH Cosmetics. I have this amazing, I have this, I have brushes, I have of course, like I said, 4 lucky winners. So I have it in, like, see there, I have this collection too for you guys. I have another set of brush. I have another collection from the Glam Reflection by BH Cosmetics, and also, oh my, I have this. So like I said, I'll be picking 4 lucky winners, okay? All you have to do is please subscribe to my channel, get me to 1,000 subscribers. The moment I hit the 1,000 subscribers, all these goodies, I'll pick the 4 lucky winners, announce them on my Instagram, also on YouTube, and just start shipping out as soon as I get your addresses, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna put the names on the screen. I already prepped my eyes with a eye primer by Unique. Okay, I don't really have any planned way or any look in my mind to create, but I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to talk where I think it is necessary, where it does not need to talk. I'm just going to move ahead and put it on the screen. Brush with the blending on the side, and the one you can actually use to apply the makeup. I'm going to start using with this brush that came with it. I'm going to start with it, and I'm going to go ahead and start with credits right here. Like I said, I don't have anything planned, but I'm gonna go with the flow. I just want to do a very simple look because I've got somewhere to go. Oh my god, this pigment is so real. Like seriously guys, I'm serious. Like I just took a little. Let's see how it's gonna look on my eyes, because it's a lot that came into the brush. OMG. Let's see. Wow. That no, this is so amazing. So I feel like that brush wasn't doing the job, that wasn't doing what I really wanted it to do. So I switched to this BH Cosmetics blending brush, and oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go with edges, which is this one. Then towards my brow bone. Now I'm going to be going into this, which I don't even know how to pronounce this name, guys. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll give it a try. It's Duolas, I don't know. So wow, guys, I'm gonna be coming in with wigglies though. Yes, I'll be coming in with wigglies because I just kind of thought of what to do with that. But this has a little bit of fallout, maybe because it's not matte, it's shimmering. Maybe that's why it has this fallout, but it's not a lot, it's not bad, it's normal. I'm gonna go into wiggle 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 wiggleless, wiggle 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 wiggleless. Oh my god, those names are amazing. Oh guys, look at that. Oh my god, look at that, guys. So guys, the more I keep working on this look, the more I keep getting inspiration. Remember I said I didn't plan this video from the beginning. I don't know what I want to use, but I'm just going with the flow. So let me tell you about Wigglies. Wigglies doesn't have any fallout, okay? No fallout. The only one that I've had fallout so far is the Dualas that I don't even know how to pronounce. Okay, so what I have in mind is to go into big wig, and I'm going to use that right here just to tighten up that side, and I think we'll be done with the eyes. Oh my god, why are you so beautiful, this palette? Why? Sorry guys, I didn't show you. This is big wig. So to clean the outer side of my eyes, I'm going to be using just the concealer just to clean that side and make it sharp. So this is how we're looking so far. I just went ahead and I did like all my foundation, contour, and highlight, all that good stuff off the camera, and I pop in credits after I lined my inner eye ring with a black pencil by Kat Von D, and I went ahead and just put a little bit of credits under there, and I went ahead and put a little bit of Zam at the inner corner of my eye. Point out in this video is in this palette, this small instruction, or can I say is the warning label, maybe that's what I would call it, because this says for Supreme, Pinker, and Big Wig, some of the name of the eyeshadow in there. They said not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Not that it's going to harm you because I use some of it, but so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.